Hello, welcome to the first unboxing video by Knit Graffiti. I'm Leslie Robinson of Knit Graffiti Designs, and today I want to share with you some beautiful yarn that I received from Lily of Wishbone Yarn. I'm currently designing a shawl using her yarn, which I will share with you kind of more up close. But I'm using her gloss singles, which are a beautiful blend of, sorry, I'm getting the little tag here, merino and silk. Oh, these are her really cute tags that she does. And it's a single ply yarn, so I'll show you more up close here in a minute. But this is my first video, my first unboxing video. Well, it's really my first video actually in, front of the camera as opposed to behind it. So yes, I'm very excited and I hope you enjoy this. This is a new series that I'm hoping to do with every new collaboration that I get, so I can share with you beautiful, beautiful, beautiful yarns. So right next to me here is this box. It's a pretty incredible box. Sorry, it's getting caught on my knitting here. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna actually change the camera angle so that it kind of feels like you're sitting next to me, because I kind of want to hang out and talk about yarn. I don't know about you, but I could literally sit and talk about yarn all day. So let's do this. So here we go. Okay, I was a little excited when I opened this up. These are some more of the gloss singles that I was trying to pick my colors for my shawl. It was very hard to pick. I think if you follow me on Instagram, you will see multiple posts of me trying to pick colors for this shawl. I'm so often drawn to pinks and purples. So this pink is Rain Drenched Roses. I just love that. I just love that name for it. I'll put these up here. And this deep kind of eggplant purple, I don't know if you can see it in this light, is Melancholia. And this was sort of a nice in-between called Sweet Tea. So this whole bag right here is full. I haven't even opened this one yet. So this is another fingering weight base. The gloss singles is also fingering weight. So this is more of a sock base. So this is her gloss sock. And it looks like a really nice base for actually knitting socks, or shawls really. It's a blend, another merino silk blend, but this one has a ply. So it almost looks like a 2-ply. So yeah, there you go. This is color Baby Bird. And there are several other colors in here. I don't know if I want to take them all out right now, but just to give you an idea. Oh, this one is gorgeous. Look at that variegation. This is Temple of Flora. And this is another, this is Night Plum. Wouldn't those look beautiful together? I just keep thinking about brioche. And then here's another teal one. Angelica. That's a beautiful teal color. Okay, so there's all the gloss sock. So what's in this bag? This one looks like Wishbone Solo with a hint of linen. Oh my gosh. I love linen blends. They are so beautiful. This one is so soft. Oh my gosh. This is Rose Hip Jam. Oh, that's a gorgeous name. So yeah, there's that one. Can you see kind of the halo it has? It's kind of flaxy. So yeah, this is all that. Oh, I am obsessed with this color right now. This is Brombeer. Oh, it's so beautiful. I had some Brombeer. I have some Brombeer in the gloss singles too. So you can kind of see this is the linen and this is the gloss singles. Same colorway. Those would be so nice together. Oh my gosh. Okay, this color is gorgeous. This is called Sea Nettle. Oh, those bits of blue in there, teal. And oh my gosh, wait, look at this. This would be such a beautiful fade. Look at that. With these. And then maybe this at the end. Oh, okay. This lighter one is Herbarium number 1 and Herbarium number 2. You guessed it, folks. Da, 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 da. I want to make something with that. I want to make some. This one might actually be nice with it too. Oh my gosh, wait a second. We have to have all 4 of these together. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. This one, this color is Mfefo. Oh my gosh, I'm totally going to mispronounce that. I wish Lily was here. She could tell me how to pronounce everything. So yeah, what else is in here? This is a lace weight. I actually really like lace weight. I don't know if a lot of people do. If you do, feel free to tell me in the comments. But that's beautiful. This is a merino lace called Flowering Tea. And, oh, here's a couple more of the gloss singles colorways. I don't know, the Turkish Coffee and Medlar. Beautiful. And she did send some of her DK base, which is called Crossbones DK. This colorway is Cameo. And this one, which I don't know if you can tell, is almost like a lavender gray, is called Oso Lune. Let me see if I can reach up here. I have my cobalt tone hat. Sorry, it's like up on my shelf. That I knit with her Crossbones DK. I know that this dark brown is Turkish Coffee. Yeah, there's a little pom-pom for you. And yeah, just 2 more bags in here. And then, of course, a lovely lavender sachet with an adorable tassel. Oh, that's not lavender. What is this? Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, so here's some unicorn tears. This looks like a merino. And this is, oh, Kid Solo. Oh, this is merino and kid mohair. 80% merino and 20% kid mohair. This is the same color. This is the Brombeer. Look at that, all 3. Oh is so beautiful. I might have to do something with those. Like a single color shawl, but with 3 different bases. How fun would that be? So these are the kids solo as well in colors Sea of Tranquility. That's what it is. This is Sea of Tranquility, this color right here. Same, you can see. Same color, different base. And, oh, so Loon again. Those are beautiful together. Wow. Well, thank you for watching. I just want to kind of show everything again. There's the haul. So, yes, and she sent a beautiful postcard too. Thank you again, Lily. Just gorgeous yarn from South Africa, and she actually uses African rainwater to dye the yarn because there's a massive drought going on over there. So it's incredible. So thank you so much for watching. I've put a link down below. So here while I'm talking, I'll kind of show you my shawl again. It's all caught. I've put a link down below to her website. So if you want to buy some of her yarn, it's incredible. And I believe that she does have some US stockists. They sell her yarn at Do You Knit, and she might in New Jersey, and they might have a few other stockists listed on their website too. So yeah, here you go. There's my little handy dandy stitch marker that I use for my BR4 stitch decrease. Okay, so here is a more detailed look at my shawl. This is my new shawl pattern. I'm giving you a very detailed look. I don't usually give this much detail before I release, but I really wanted to show more up close these yarns. So this is the Rose Water colorway. This is the lighter color you can see here. This is the Za'atar, which is this darker, kind of a mossy green color almost. And this is Byzantine Blue, which I'm using as the contrast color here. So the shawl kind of starts off with textural brioche. So it starts off with honeycomb, and then goes to 2-color honeycomb, and then goes to pearl brioche, 2-color pearl brioche. This contrast is very subtle, so it's actually kind of hard to see. And then this is 2-color moss brioche and 3-color moss brioche. So if you're taking any of my textural brioche classes, either at DFW Fiberfest or coming up at Naughty Lamb in July, that's what you'll be learning. So here again, I wanted to show all of the yarn up close that we just looked at. Here's that fade again. I'm coming back to you. I'm coming back. All right. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave me a comment below if you have any questions.